Hello everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving deeper into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series. From design overhauls to groundbreaking features, here's everything you need to know. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup, expected to debut in September 2025, is rumored to include several models: the standard iPhone 17, the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, the feature-rich iPhone 17 Pro, and the top-tier iPhone 17 Pro Max, which might be rebranded as the iPhone 17 Ultra. One of the most talked about models is the iPhone 17 Air. Leaked dummy shots reveal a remarkably slim profile at just 5.5 mm thick, making it Apple's thinnest smartphone yet. This design is complemented by a unique camera bar that spans nearly the full width of the phone, housing a single rear camera. All iPhone 17 models are expected to feature advanced OLED displays with promotion technology, offering smoother scrolling and enhanced responsiveness. This means a 120 Hz refresh rate across the board, a feature previously reserved for the Pro variants. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 series is set to be powered by Apple's new A19 chipset, promising significant performance boosts and improved energy efficiency. The Pro models are rumored to come with 12 GB of RAM, catering to power users and multitaskers. Photography enthusiasts have much to look forward to. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, or Ultra, is speculated to feature a triple 48MP rear camera system, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Even the sleek iPhone 17 Air, despite its slim design, is expected to house a capable single rear camera. Connectivity is getting a boost with the anticipated inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 technology, ensuring faster and more reliable internet connections. Additionally, a 24MP front-facing camera is expected across all models, enhancing selfie quality and video call experiences. While official pricing hasn't been announced, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to start around $900. The entire iPhone 17 lineup is anticipated to be unveiled in September 2025, following Apple's traditional release schedule. That's all for today's sneak peek into the iPhone 17 series. Remember, these details are based on current rumors and leaks, and the official features will be confirmed upon Apple's announcement. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights.